Think your playlists lack soul? Today, we're diving into the best turntables that revive vinyl's rich warmth and deliver immersive analog sound. From plug-and-play simplicity to audiophile-grade masterpieces, stick around to discover the perfect deck that will breathe new life into every note of your record collection. All the products featured in this video can be found in the description below. For more comprehensive analysis and handy comparison, please visit our website at smartpicked.com. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to keep up with our latest updates. Now, let's jump into the listicle. At number 5, we have Audio-Technica at LP70X, the best budget turntable. Ready to dive into vinyl? The Audio-Technica at LP70X stands out as the best budget turntable on the market. Its automatic operation brings immense convenience. With just one button push, you can enjoy your favorite records without fuss. Perfect for new users, this feature simplifies the listening experience, letting you focus on enjoying music. Connectivity becomes effortless thanks to a built-in switchable phono preamp. Whether you pair it with powered speakers or a full stereo system, setup is smooth. Bluetooth capability introduces a modern touch, allowing wireless listening and freedom from cables. This versatility appeals to users wanting a clean, clutter-free space. Sound quality excels with the ATVM 95C integral moving magnet phono cartridge. Listeners experience deeper audio, a broader soundstage, and enhanced dynamics compared to rivals like the LP60X. Coupled with the VM95 upgradable stylus, this turntable evolves with your music collection. As your vinyl library grows, you can easily adapt your setup. Some might find the features somewhat intricate. However, this complexity offers a valuable learning experience for vinyl enthusiasts. Those wanting a simple plug-and-play approach may need time to adjust. Ultimately, you'll find that the ATLP70X caters to all levels of vinyl lovers. What I appreciate most about this model is its versatility. It welcomes newcomers while still catering to seasoned collectors. Up next, a pro-level turntable that blends digital recording and 78 revolutions per minute playback for unmatched versatility. At number 4, we have Audio-Technica at LP120 XUSB BK Direct Drive Turntable, the best turntable for professionals. Want a turntable that truly stands out? The Audio-Technica 8LP120 XUSB BK Direct Drive Turntable should be your top choice. This model excels in many areas, making it the best turntable for professionals. First off, you can convert vinyl records into digital files during playback. This unique feature is exceptional for DJs and producers who want to capture sounds and tempos while performing. You don't have to rely on additional equipment to record your mixes. Playing records at 78 revolutions per minute is another fantastic benefit. This speed is rare in newer models, appealing to collectors and audiophiles who enjoy vintage records. It significantly widens your listening options and enhances your musical experience. Switching the built-in preamp on or off adds flexibility. If you prefer a different sound, you can seamlessly plug in your favorite preamp with ease. This adaptability is a game changer for anyone looking to customize their audio setup. What I love most about this turntable is its versatility. It balances modern technology with classic features, making it enjoyable for various users. However, the weight of this model can be a bit cumbersome. While its sturdiness ensures stability during use, it's worth considering for transport. The Audio-Technica at LP120 XUSB BK impresses with its outstanding features suited for professionals. Dive deeper into its capabilities and elevate your music experience today. Stay tuned for a sustainable deck that marries eco-friendly design with seamless wireless streaming. Still searching for the perfect turntable? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. At number 3, we have Marley Stir It Up Luxe Bluetooth Turntable, the best Bluetooth turntable. Experience the magic of vinyl with the Marley Stir It Up Luxe Bluetooth Turntable. This model impresses with its unique combination of style and function, making it the best Bluetooth turntable you can own. You'll love the clean, natural design. Crafted from sustainable bamboo, recycled aluminum, and recycled glass, it's not just a turntable, it's a statement piece. The cork slip mat enhances your vinyl experience while adding to the aesthetic appeal. Quality sound shines through when using Bluetooth speakers. Surprisingly, pairing with Bluetooth retains most of the richness of your records. While direct connections offer slight improvements, you won't miss the wires cluttering your space. For true audiophiles, a headphone jack lets you immerse yourself in your favorite tunes, delivering a personal listening experience. Setup remains user-friendly thanks to the built-in preamp. Adjustments feel intuitive with a straightforward counterweight design. This means less time spent fiddling with setup, allowing you to dive into your record collection sooner. You might wish for a wider range of customization options, but this simplicity means you can enjoy your music without distractions. Users seeking quick access to high-quality sound will appreciate this feature. What stands out most? The Marley Stir It Up. Luxe isn't just about quality sound, it's about effortless enjoyment. With its sustainable materials and Bluetooth convenience, this turntable defines modern vinyl culture. Hold tight for a USB-powered marvel that lets you effortlessly rip your entire vinyl library in studio-quality sound. At number 2, we have Audio-Technica at LP5X, the best USB turntable. If you're on the hunt for the best USB turntable, the Audio-Technica at LP5X shines. This model builds on its predecessor's strong reputation with smart upgrades that enhance your vinyl experience. A standout feature is the new cartridge, designed for ease of installation. You won't struggle to fit it. This saves time and effort. The built-in phono stage supports both moving magnet and moving coil cartridges, ensuring versatility for different audiophile needs. Plus, the addition of a 78 revolutions per minute speed option allows you to enjoy vintage records without hassle. Audio quality impresses with cleaner and clearer sound. Detail levels remain high, presenting complex musical pieces effortlessly. Solid stereo imaging guarantees a well-balanced listening experience that keeps you immersed in the music. The USB ripping capability sets this turntable apart. Digitizing your vinyl collection to CD-quality WAV files means you can take your favorites on the go, surpassing many models offering only MP3 quality. Ease of use in converting vinyl records will delight collectors eager to preserve their library. However, the design's traditional look might not appeal to everyone seeking a modern aesthetic. Yet, this classic style adds charm and aligns with its vintage roots. What I love most about the Audio-Technica AT-LP5X is its blend of solid construction and premium features at an accessible price point. Get ready for the audiophile masterpiece that sets the gold standard in analog playback. Before we unveil the top pick, don't forget to take a look at the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. At number 1, we have Pro-ject Debut Carbon Evio, the best turntable overall. Fall in love with music anew through the Pro-ject Debut Carbon Evio. This turntable stands out as the best turntable overall, delivering an immersive audio experience that is hard to match. You'll appreciate the heavy steel platter, which features a TPE ring. This combination significantly reduces noise, allowing you to focus on pure sound quality. Switching between 33 and 45 revolutions per minute is a breeze, thanks to the electronic speed selection. Explore your vinyl collection effortlessly, making it easier to enjoy all your favorite records. Motor suspension improvements minimize vibrations, ensuring fidelity in music playback. You'll notice the difference, especially on less stable surfaces, thanks to 3 adjustable TPE damped isolation feet. These features keep your setup perfectly balanced. Quality defines every aspect of the Pro-ject Debut Carbon Evio. A Sumiko Rainier phono cartridge captures nuances perfectly, bringing your music to life. The 8.6-inch carbon fiber tone arm guarantees precise tracking. Enjoy heightened detail in playback that you won't find in many competitors. While some models may be more budget-friendly, choosing the Carbon Evio elevates your listening experience. This investment shines through with exceptional sound quality that truly justifies your choice. What I love most about this turntable is its elegant design, seamlessly fitting into any space. That's a wrap. We trust you enjoyed exploring our selection of best turntables. If you did, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and clicking the subscribe button. Additionally, feel free to share in the comments which turntable you're considering. Let's turn your choice into reality. Thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you in our upcoming videos.